Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Guy, and you might be wondering, why is my screen upside down? Well, sorry, not my screen, but my camera screen in this bottom right corner here, okay? The answer is because today we're doing a keyboard typing test. Let's see how fast I can go. And you'll see my hands, because I discovered this function where I can flip everything on its X and Y axis, so you can see my hands as I type. Let's see in focus here. Alright, cool. Well, obviously this is gonna be really fun, and are we ready to get started? So I have been practicing for a week and a half, yeah, a week and a half now, and I would say I'm not that great. You guys will see what I get. You ready? Here we go. Acquire one. Oh my god. Segregated monopoly contains four such words. Sometimes I like to see. Oh gosh. Oh my god. Okay, so okay, that was 60. The original thing where it said 31 in the 35 or something in the beginning, that wasn't mine. That was just there. But okay, so first I got 60. Okay. Okay, you'll see it right here in the bottom. Okay. We're gonna do it 5 times. It's long. Okay. Okay, let's do this. Okay. Okay, here we go. Round 2. Okay, I think not good. Okay, obviously you see here my problem here is I have so many problems. Okay, I'm a little bit disheartened by that. Just a little bit. Okay, you can see here. Boom. Boom. Okay. So, everybody, that was my video. That was sad. Anyway, I'll make a video on how to get this webcam set up. It's gonna be great. Especially for Linux users, because that's what I'm using right now. As you see here. Oh, it's Maverick to Japan. Oh, Okay, is this Linux? Oh, the screen just got really dark. Okay, alright. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.